Okay guys, we're doing a little taste test on the airplane. First snack, yummy, yumma. It's like marshmallows with jam inside. Do you like it?
I'd give it like a 4 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah.
I give it like a
Maybe
6.
a 5.
Ready? Cheers. Cheers. It's barbecue flavor and it tastes like kind of like Cheez-Its.
I've never had that.
You've never had Cheez-Its? What? You've
They're
never
not-
had Cheez-Its?
They're not Australian.
They're not Australian? You're lying.
I swear to God, I've never had
So
it.
have you had goldfish before?
Oh yeah, those are cool.
You've had goldfish?
Yeah.
It's kind of like gold.